So next one, calculate the distance, first one, below and above the surface of earth at which the value of acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4 that of the earth's surface. Okay, now the question is asking for the depth and the height at which the value of g is 1/4 that of the value which is there at earth, right. Now the first one is below. See what we have, the formula is g is equal to g into 1 minus x divided by re, correct. Now re was the radius of earth, x was the depth, correct. Now what we'll do is we'll take a ratio, that is we'll have g divided by g, that's basically g at the depth divided by g at the surface is equal to 1 minus x divided by re, correct. Now see what we have, see we have 1/4 ratio is given, correct. So I can tell 1/4 is equal to 1 minus x divided by re, or x divided by re is equal to 1 minus 1/4 or 3/4, correct. So x is equal to 3/4 of re, right, meaning if I take any object and I bury it down at 3/4 the radius of earth, then the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4 of whatever which is there at the surface. Fine, this is for the first one. The second one, at a height of h, correct, above. So the formula is what, gh is equal to g divided by 1 plus h by re whole square, correct, or gh by g is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus h by re whole square. Now we have that value as 1/4, correct, gh by g. So 1/4 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus h by re whole square. Now if I take square root, the LHS becomes half, the RHS, the square and root get cancelled. So we have 1/2 is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus h by re, or 1 plus h by re is equal to 2, or h by re is equal to 1. So we can conclude that h is equal to re, meaning if I take the same radius of the earth as the distance from the surface of the earth, then the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4. Fine. So radius of earth is basically 6400 kilometer. Now if I take 6400 kilometer above the surface of earth, then the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4 that of the surface. So first one is, if the depth is 3/4 the radius of earth, it will become the acceleration due to gravity becomes 1/4, and if you are taking an object above the surface of earth, then you have to take equal to the radius of earth, then it will become 1/4. So these are the answers for the given question.